Hello, hello, hi, mabuhay bago ka pumanaw, mahaba pa ang buhay, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, totoo, it was so simple commission of our life to intend for. It was for our creation and for our creator. At kung bago ka pa sa akin channel, you can hit the notification bell para update sa mga upcoming videos, and don't forget mga ka-barber to like, share, and subscribe. So ayun na nga, kung meron kayong mga drama, hinaing, papahula, komento, libre bashers tayo, just comment down below. So it was a simple commission of our nation for our governance to make and to find out. It was so simple day. It was so simple. Life for the living. So I'm here now for the vicinity of Blumentritt. And it was a government infrastructure. It was a government project. So mabuhay tayo. And yes, I'm gonna give you some update about this. If you remember, mga traktora yung mga nandito, no? So ngayon hindi na natin alam kung kani-kaninong sasakyan ito. Gayon pa man, ang tulay ay medyo talagang solido at talagang naibigyan na ng magandang pondo. At mukhang kahit gibain tayo ng lindol o delubyo, I assure you, tatayo pa rin tayo. It was a commission of government project, and I can say dito sa Blumentritt, sa Tiago Street, it was around the vicinity of our area for the Manila. If you came here, you just go ahead Aurora, yung Chinese General Hospital, getting North Cemetery, pasok ka lang dito and get Tiago. So, ganun lang kasimple ang government project. Medyo patapos na, sana magkaroon ng magandang ehemplo o magandang mapagkukuhaan ng trabaho o magandang magiging daanan ng tao. So, let's see kung hanggang saan siya magiging produktibo. And we have here the Dimasalang Health Center for our community to make, for our vicinity to find out to the area. It was so simple, libre lang for our district. Yes. It was center lang, pero it was some kind of like hospital. They have the facilities out there, yes. So, sawadika. Irashaimase. Mo'y sugoy ipay. Nen, nandi mo, dahil jobo. Hay. So, ganun lang. So, pwede ka magpa-check up dito ng dental or check up inner, your body, your soul. Huwag ka lang magpahula. Patay na si Madam Auring. Baka doon ka kay Jay. Gustura. So, again, it was Dimasalang Health Center. At ayun nga, nandiyan ang government project. If you gonna see. At yung pinakadulo doon, it was Aurora, the intersection. They have the Chinese General Hospital. So yun ang remote natin. Magandang alon at maganda ang klima ngayon. And we have here also the commotion of check-upan lang ganun. So it was so libre, lalo na sa mga taga dito. So they have dental check-ups and everything for the children, for the kids, for the babies. Of course, they have the check-up for this thing. And it was again Dimasalang Health Center, and it was for free there. We have nicest governance. Ano ba yun? Yung ganon, tumutulong, no? So, tulungan lang tayo. Pag may nararamdaman ka, may masama sa'yo, huwag kang matakot, huwag kang mahiya. Magpatingin ka lang. Wala namang masama. Minsan, hindi naman kailangan ng pera para makuha mo ang gusto mong malaman. Kung hindi ito ay simpleng komunikasyon lang po sa kapwa. Yes po. So, it was so simple day. So, check up ng drama and yun, nalalabas na ang resulta. HIV! Positive na ba? positive na ba? Mag-ingat po tayo. Either it's nor pandemic, mag-ingat pa rin tayo. Ang sakit ay laganap at nagkalat. So, we have to be na bright. Kailangan nating galingan pa, magpakagaling tayo, maging alisto tayo sa buhay bilang nasyon o tao. Ito ay karapatan natin. Ito ay pinagyayaman sa kaisipan hanggang makuha ng natural sa pamumuhay sa araw-araw. So, ganun lang ka-simple. You can go here, walk in, or online. It was Dimasalang Health Center again. And yet, yes, trust the doctors, trust the nurses, trust our hospital, either our simple center. So this is it. It was Miss Tin. Hello. Hi, mabuhay sa mga ka-barber, ka-sweet girl ko. I gonna do graduation, and this is it. Graduating na po ba ako? Well,
Hindi pa, nag-uumpisa ka pa lang.
okay, let's see what we're gonna make and what will gonna happen for the medication. So nakakahawa na nga talaga ang sweet girl ng Tondo, and we have the medication with Miss Tin.
Hello.
Ayan.
Ito ang tanong, may diabetes ka ba?
Wala po.
Mental illness?
Wala po.
Okay. Substance abuse?
Wala rin po.
Liver disease?
Wala.
Renal disease?
Wala po.
Okay.
It was not so congratulations mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. And yet po, ayan po, nakikita po ninyo, hindi kayo nagkakamali. Tama. I am so positive po ang sweet girl ng Tondo. Meron po tayong tuberculosis. It was so television to make. And hindi po, ang TV ko po, hindi po siya black and white. Saka hindi po rin siya hunchback. Bali yung TV ko po, hindi rin po sa digital. Ang TV po na na-detect sa akin ay smart TV po. Ayan. So, nagka-TV po ang sweet girl ng Tondo nyo, and yet ang TV ko nga ay smart TV. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple. Pag nagka-TV po kayo, wag po kayong matakot. Marami po tayong mga technician. Marami po tayong mga ahensya, doktor at mga center po na pwede po tayo magpatingin at ilathala ang ating mga sakit. Wag po tayong matakot sa mga gamutan o matakot na mahiya na magpatingin po sa mga doktor. Yes po, TV lang po ito. Ito po ay nagagamot. According to my doctor, sabi nila po, yung TB ko raw pwede pong gamutin ng 2 linggo o 1 buwan. Pero pag makulit daw po akong pasyente, aabutin daw po ang gamutan ko ng 6 na buwan. So, it was so enrollment. And then I'm gonna give you update for my television, smart TV. Yes. So, that's life mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Huwag po tayong mahiyang magtanong. May right med po ito. Bless. So, ganun lang ka-simple mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Mag-enroll na rin kayo. Baka may TV kayo. Kung ano yan, black and white. Baka naman digital. So, it depends on you. Mapiwalayala. Masalam. Assalamualaikum salam. Siya to siya. Kansahamida. Siya. Yala. Toda riba. Daghang salamat. So, pa-check up tayo ng mga TV natin. Huwag tayong matakot. Yala!